Hi everybody, Eddie the Mouth out in Buffalo, New York with the Buffalo herd of deer. We're here with 3 deer. We got a buck with misshapen antlers. We got a smaller doe, and then we got Miss Barbie. How you doing today? No pets today for me. Looks like she's going to chase those deer off because that's what she does. Right for the buck. Where you going? You just got here. You're already chasing people off. She's not playing around. She's not playing around. She doesn't want that buck over here at all, huh? What are you doing? What's up? What's up, you? What are you doing? Come here. Come over here. Did you chase him off? Did you chase him off? Hi. What's up? Oh, my back is kind of killing me a little bit, but what's up, you? Looks like that one's back out there. You gonna go chase her? Hi. What's up? Aw, what a good girl. What's up? Where you going? Going around? Going after that there? Got a quick scratch. Oh, looks like she's making a beeline for that deer over there. This is Barbie. She's the boss. The big doe runs the show, and looks like she's making her way over there. Where'd the buck go? Where'd that buck go? He's over there. There he is. What's up, buddy? You got pushed way back there, huh? You got pushed way back there, huh? Let's walk over here with the rest of the herd. What's up, herd? What you heard, Miss Deer? Hi. Hi. What's up? What's up? Can I pet you? No pets. No pets today for me. Hope you guys like the content, like and subscribe.